to the usual Tether USDT. They will be visible on the wallet for at least 3 months. You need to invest a minimum of 0.12 ETH. And after the craft we will get 7,000 Flash USDT tokens. At the same time you can transfer them to any wallets or upload them to exchanges. The highest liquidity token will help you use them anywhere. They will be the same as regular Tether USDT. You can use these tokens on different platforms. You can on this one. I am rarely here. This is my favorite. You can also use it here. You can also easily use them on Binance, but I don't use it. Let's move on to the guide itself. Go to Remix Ethereum org. Create a new file named USDT.sol in Remix and insert the code as outlined in the video description. Navigate to the Solidity compiler and select version 0.6.6+. Click Compile. Once the compilation is successful, the contract needs to be deployed. Go to Deploy and Run Transactions, and in the Environment tab, select Connect Wallet to connect your wallet. MetaMask is the most convenient option, but you may use other wallets. The main thing, I don't recommend it as they might not function correctly. Avoid connecting centralized wallets. After your wallet is connected, ensure you check the checkbox and specify your token's name and symbol. In my case, they are Tether and USDT, then click Transact. In the max fee field, round the figure to the nearest integer. The initial transaction will cost the most, ranging from $10 to $30, depending on network workload. Once the transaction is confirmed, you'll see your contract. Copy it and paste it into Etherscan to verify its creation and ensure it's not a scam. Now, fund your contract. Remember, the minimum top-up amount is 0.12 ETH. Wait for the transaction to be confirmed. The next step is to create tokens and withdraw them. Go back to Remix. You should see that your balance is displayed. Click Start. Specify the max fee and confirm the transaction. This action will mint your tokens. Once the transaction is confirmed, click Withdrawal to pull the tokens to your wallet. Enter the max fee and confirm the transaction. After confirmation, wait a couple of minutes and check your wallet. If everything was done correctly, your Flash USDT tokens will show up in your wallet. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on Telegram @FrancescoCrypto. Good luck. Goodbye.